Have you ever found yourself staring at your Robinhood portfolio, wondering if it's time to cash out on a winning trade or cut your losses on a losing one? Closing a position on Robinhood can be a bit daunting, especially if you're new to investing. But fear not. In this video, we'll break down the process step by step so you can confidently manage your investments. Let's start by understanding what it means to close a position. Essentially, it's the act of selling a security you've previously bought. This can be done for various reasons, such as realizing profits, limiting losses, or rebalancing your portfolio. Step 1. Locate the position. Open your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to your portfolio section. Find the specific stock, ETF, or cryptocurrency you want to close. Step 2. Place a sell order. Tap or click on the stock's name to view its details. Look for the sell button. You'll be prompted to enter the number of shares you want to sell. Decide whether you want to place a market order, executing at the current market price, or a limit order, specifying a maximum or minimum price. Understanding market versus limit orders. Market order, quick and easy, but you might not get the best price, especially during volatile market conditions. Limit order gives you more control over the price, but there's a risk that your order might not be filled if the market doesn't reach your specified price. Step 3. Review and confirm. Double-check the details of your sell order, including the quantity, price, and order type. Once you're satisfied, confirm the order. Step 4. Monitor your order. Your order will be placed on the market. You can track its status in your orders section. If it's a market order, it should be executed immediately. If it's a limit order, it will only be filled if the market price reaches your specified limit. Additional considerations. Taxes. Selling a position can trigger capital gains or losses. Be aware of the tax implications and consult with a financial advisor if necessary. Fees. Robinhood doesn't charge commissions for trading stocks, ETFs, or options. However, there may be other fees associated with certain types of trades, such as cryptocurrency transactions. Stop-loss orders. Consider setting a stop-loss order to automatically sell your position if the price drops below a certain level, helping to limit your losses. Trailing stop-loss orders. These orders adjust the stop-loss price as the stock price rises, allowing you to lock in profits while minimizing losses. Closing a position on Robinhood is a straightforward process that can be accomplished with a few simple steps. By understanding the different order types and considering factors like taxes and fees, you can make informed decisions about when to buy and sell your investments. Remember, investing involves risk, and there's no guarantee of profits. Always do your research and consult with a financial advisor if you have any questions or concerns. Have you ever found yourself hesitant to close a position on Robinhood? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more investing tips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.